Guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be washing my Audi RS6. It's been raining, so it's pretty dirty. The car just needs a pretty good wash, and I'm here to show you how to do it with the most basic products. If you don't have anything that's like CarPro, Geon, or anything like that. This is from Costco. It's Turtle Wax Hyper Foam Wash and Wax. And it's pretty cool. You can use it in a foam cannon, or you can use it in the 2-bucket wash method. And for the wheels and tires, we're going to be using a pretty popular brand. I used it a lot when I was first starting out because it's a 2-in-1 product. Wheel and tire cleaner from Adams Polishes. So the reason why I kind of went away from doing the 2-in-1 thing is because it seems to not be good at doing both things, and it ends up being mediocre in 2 things. So that's just something I noticed. Maybe someone else will have a different experience. So this is for the face of the wheel, this is for the inner barrels, and this is for the tires. You don't need all of these. If you only have this or a microfiber towel, I'll show you how to do it. So you just spray the bucket with high pressure water to activate the foam. Alright, so before we spray the Adams Polishes wheel and tire cleaner, we're going to spray it down with my pressure washer to get all the nasty stuff out first, like the ones that will just come off easily. And also we're going to be washing the inner wheel well because it does have like leaves and a bunch of nasty stuff in there. So here we go. Alright, now that we've sprayed the wheel, I'm going to show you how to, if you don't have like a tire brush or anything, and you just have microfiber towels, then also let me show you how to do it. You just grab this. So this is my wheel bucket here. Just go inside, and obviously once you use this microfiber, you're not going to be able to use it on anything else because all the dirt and stuff will be embedded inside it. And personally, I wouldn't trust it on my paint, so I wouldn't trust it on anyone else's. So these brushes that I have, I've had them for a long time, and I paid a pretty good premium for them, and I'm glad that I did because they are amazing. But you can get cheap ones, you'll just have to replace it more often, so it's up to you, whatever works for you and your budget. Alright, now that we're done scrubbing it, agitating it, and all that, we're going to spray it off with water, and here we go. If you have a little brush, you can use this to clean your calipers. My calipers are never really dirty, but just to show you, wheels are done. So I'm going to now do the other wheels, and then I'll be right back to do the body. So an important reminder, you never want to spray this wheel with the chemical and then move on to the next wheel, because what happens is you can't monitor it if it's drying on the wheel, or if it's damaging the wheel. You can't tell if you're on the other side of the car cleaning those wheels. So yeah, just keep in mind, just do one wheel at a time. Wheels are done, let's get ready to wash the body of the car. I've already pre-filled this bucket with about 3 gallons of water and a dash of this, so just like this. Like that, just a little bit. And then, I also filled up my foam cannon. So, put some in here. Now that you have your soaps ready, let's spray down the car, get any loose contaminants and debris off the car so that it's not sliding all over the paint when you... Okay, so remember how I said you're not going to need 2 buckets for this wash? Well, I'll show you a way to do it with just 1 bucket. So obviously inside is the soap and the water, and we have a grit guard inside like this. You can buy this anywhere. It's pretty cheap and it lasts forever. So I have a normal mitt here, as you can see. So we'll use this first, and once we wipe down the car, every panel we're going to switch out to a new microfiber, so that you're not using 2 buckets and then you're having to lug it around everywhere and you're wasting a lot of water because it's really unnecessary. In my opinion, microfiber number 1, fold it up, and when you wash it, you can get some of these soaps, some of the suds to help lubricate the paint so you're not scratching it with a wet or a dry microfiber. And when you wash it, you want to do it gentle. You don't need to press on it. Just gentle. See? And you don't want to go in circles. I'm not going to try it on mic. You don't want to go in circles because you're going to create swirl marks and it's going to look nasty after a while, and you're going to wonder, why does my car look so nasty and ugly? Well, it's because you washed it in circles. So another thing to note, make sure you wash from the top of the car first to the bottom, because typically the top of the car is more clean. So you're going to have that clean microfiber gliding across, and then as you get to the bottom of the car, you're going to be done anyway, so then you can just use it to get any nasty parts off, as compared to like if you did it backwards from top or from bottom to top, then now you're dragging all that dirt you got from the bottom of the car, dragging it on top of the car. Does that make sense? I think so. So what I like about this towel is it's super absorbent. As you can see, what I do is I just set it down on my hood or whatever part I'm drying, and then let it glide and pick up the water. See? As you can see, the water's still there. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright. And just do it again. It's hard to do with one hand, but we'll figure it out. There you go. So what I like to do is I like to use the fluffy side on the paint, as you can tell right here, and just glide it around and let it pick up the water. And for the windows, I use this part, which is like, it's not rough, but it works well on the windows. All right, we're almost done, guys. I'm pretty tired, but yeah, we're almost done. Here we go. So the door jambs, you want to make sure this is clean as well. You don't want to just leave it nasty. So what I do is I just use a quick detailer. So this one's just a cheap one from AutoZone. Just spray it on the towel and wipe.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining or just pretty cool, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it helps with the algorithm, and I will be putting out more detailing tips and I guess just detailing stuff in general. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good day.